Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, and if you need to find the ASD relay, guys, this is super important relay. We have a special video that explains what is ASD relay on Dodge, what it's for, what it does, and how actually your car will not run without ASD relay. We'll explain that in this video today as we go. We will explain how to find it and how to test it. So make sure to stay till the end. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger will be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So the ASD relay, what it stands for, guys. ASD is a specific acronym, guys, for that relay. That's how most people will know it. It's in the fuse box, usually in the engine bay, and you will have one clip here, one there. You flip on the side, put it up. That fuse layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. And if you guys pay attention here now, the ASD relay will be actually relay number 63. We're talking about that relay right here. If you want to know what that relay is for, we'll talk about that a little bit now. If you want to see how to test the relay, we'll put a link in the description of the video below that will teach you that, how to test it. It's very easy and you will be able to tell if it's good or bad. Number two, if you need to buy replacement ones at a good price, just to have spare ones sometimes, even put some in the glove box, that's always a good idea. Check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get them at a good price. Now, if that relay doesn't work, your Dodge Charger will not start. Why? Because the ignition and fuel delivery will not work, guys. It's very important for the ignition and fuel delivery. So we have a special video, okay, that explains what ASD relay is for. So check it out. It will teach you more about that. But that relay goes bad, you're out. Your car will not run. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.